When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by.
If you smile, you don't feel so tall. Smile and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you.
Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness.